Yeah, so I've owned the company since 2018. When I took over, we were using My Order Desk, and mainly we were using it just for a handful of customers, two of our bigger customers. And over the years from 2018 till 2025, I just had trouble learning the difficulty of the back end of My Order Desk. And it was hard to make changes and add customers, change the forms, change the look of it. So I started looking at the end of 2024 for a new system. And that's when I came across OnPrint and started, doing meetings and looking at it and doing demos, and was very impressed with just the functionality of it. Yeah, I think the main thing I've identified, and it's been going on for years, we're just a little slow adapting to it, is customers don't want to talk to people all the time anymore. They want to be able to go online and have a system where they can order. And it's good to have somebody when you have a problem, but when they're wanting to reorder, they want an easy process that can be quick and efficient. They don't want to email me, wait on me to email them back, then wait for me to tell them how long it's going to be, then wait for this. They want to do a few clicks, and they want to make it fast and efficient and not have to worry about it. And me as a business owner and a customer of many other stores, that's what I want in a system. So that's one of the reasons we switched to OnPrint, is because I see the capability of doing all these things and all the changes, even from the version that I started kind of training on to the new version. There's been a lot of changes. I'd say the biggest challenges, there was a couple of them. One was a lot of it was HTML based. So when we set it up, we had to go in there and basically write code to make any changes of the look, the feel, the functionality. We could get forms up there pretty easy and make them customizable, but adding customers, creating customer groups, all that was very difficult. And I mean, we had processes to do it, but it wasn't easy. And so when I started looking, I wanted to find a system that, one, looked good and looked up to date and looked like other systems you see, other like big online print shops like Print. I wanted to look and feel like that. And when I started, I probably did 5-6 demos with different companies, and OnPrint was very reasonably priced. That functionality was one of the main reasons. One of the benefits we've gotten that I wasn't really aware of is OnPrint's support has been amazing. So I would tell you, at first, I was a little timid as well. Trent was very helpful when I was able to meet with him as well. And I understood that it wasn't that I didn't think the capabilities of OnPrint were there. I was not, being in Texas, it took me a little time. You guys, which I think most of the support's based in India, you guys have just been awesome.